Transformers reviews, tech and the news, whatever else I use as a muse. Hit subscribe, I appreciate the views. Influences interest on YouTube.
What's going on, people? Welcome back to the channel, and I appreciate you joining me and spending your time with me. This is Influence. If you didn't know, if you're new, please subscribe. If not, if you're already subscribed, I really appreciate it. Got some tech today. This is the LG G Pad 5 10.1 FHD. This is a long ass name, but it is more of an entry level tablet. Disclaimer, I opened this before and played with it, so I can give a little synopsis. I think I've done enough to really give a good overview. Wouldn't be called a full review, but I think it's enough. It is from T-Mobile. Another disclaimer, the disclaimer city. Got this for free because I already have tablets on the plan and it was a free upgrade. So as long as I keep it on a plan, it's free. I had the LG tablet before. My main focus is this is going to be for my car. I usually use it in my car. I had an 8.1 that was perfect for my car because I hate my navigation system in my car because you always got to update it every year or so. Like just using Google Maps is just, but that's neither here nor there. So let's open it up, and right off the bat, you get to see some of the specs. It's 2.34 gigahertz quad core. So it's okay. It's not flagship. It's entry level. This is basically an entry level tablet. I think it's 204. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. Like I said, disclaimer, if you're on T-Mobile, check out the free things that they have, the free promotions, I should say. I'm not sponsored by T-Mobile by any means, but I don't want you to pay for a tablet that you don't have to pay for. That I'm not sure, depending on how you use it, is it worth $204, which is what it is on Amazon, and I'm gonna leave a link to that below. But like I said, if you're on T-Mobile, check that out. You get a fingerprint scanner, which is important. Depending, it's great that it has one on this type of tablet that's not like super flagship tablet. You have a 8200 mega amp hour battery, which also that's part of the good reviews, and I think that's why they put it on here, is because that's part of the allure. Like these are like the allure that you want. You got the Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, which is cool. We'll take this off. LG, of course, silverback, has an 8 megapixel camera and a front facing camera right here. That is what is it, 5 megapixels, I believe. We have, okay, the fingerprint reader. You see how quick that is? Fingerprint reader. It's pretty quick, It's just the side fingerprint reader. Nothing else but a fingerprint reader. This tablet is like an entry tablet. Bezels are pretty big, but it's okay. You like bigger bezels on the tablet so you can use it without touching the screen. You can get a pen with this, a stylus. I'm not sure if it's a particular stylus. This ain't the full review, so it is what it is. Let me see, you got the specs going on. So we'll get to the camera. You can see the camera. I don't know what picture I can take. Take that. It's not bad lighting. I'll show it on the screen. I took some low light pictures also that you can see. So out the box, you get the tablet, of course. You got the book. You get a start guide and, you know, all the other stuff. And you get a SIM injection tool that I already lost. Get a fast charging brick, I should say, and USB to USB-C. So that's cool that it has USB-C. Let's go back to the And that's basically it, what you get in the box. Now you can hold it like this and it automatically orients to that mode. As I was saying, this is a good tablet for what just little things you may want to do. Like I'm gonna use it mostly for Waze. So you got the Waze app. Let me not show. Let me block that out. I don't want to show where I live at. But you have my MeRoss app, which is I have like MeRoss sockets, and which are pretty good. I think I did a review, I'm not sure, but I did the garage door opener. I have all that on here, so you can get to that. And it was, oh, I just noticed that's not orienting. So there's that. On my old tablet, it would orient. Maybe I have to set it, I don't know. But you have that. YouTube, this tablet is mainly for your low end tasks. Like you're not gonna do crazy video editing. You're not gonna do like the high end gaming. You're just gonna basically, you can watch videos. I don't want to get copywritten, so I'm gonna add the picture in the picture. I hate the tablet. Well, I don't hate the tablet YouTube, but I hate it on the go. I'm so used to my phone's YouTube. But yeah, you have, let me just play a video from me. So you got my channel. It doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad. It's pretty good. It's full HD. It's not 4K or anything, or 2K. So you got that. Let me show. The speakers are, I will, since it's my channel, I will turn it up. And you bring this, fold this, tab there, tabs there. Tab that into there. The speakers are loud, but they're pretty loud. But there's two firing speakers on the bottom, so you can cover it up. And that's not good. It's not stereo speakers. There's none on the top. There's a headphone jack up here. So most of the things don't have that any longer. So that's pretty good, even though I don't use headphone jacks. And now we got picture in picture. If you use the Android tablet, you pretty much, you know what this is. Let me show. You got the quick memos, pen. I think you need a pen. No, you don't need a pen. So you got that. If you can see, you see it's pretty fast. I haven't encountered any lag, even though it's 4 gigabytes of RAM, which I'm using my phone's 10 gigabytes of RAM. So there's that. But you got, let me see, you got a sling. You see how fast it is. Things open up pretty fast. Let me move some of this stuff. So yeah, you got the, let me see what's going on with ridiculousness. See, stuff is popping up right away. I just seen a little bit of jitter, but I don't know if that's the app or the actual tablet. Let me turn the, I don't have the, now I have it all the way up. So yeah, we watching a little TV. I do see a little tiny bit of jitter at times, but like I said, I know Sling app can be kind of sometimes iffy. So let's take it to Netflix. Open up Netflix. Me, Moneyball. Back to the Future 2. Let's see what's going on with that. Super quick opening thing. Super quick. I watched a little bit of this earlier just to test it. I didn't see any jitter, any lag. So that's good. So this seems like it would be good. The picture's pretty good. Yeah, I mean, it's full HD. It's not quad HD or anything, or 4K. But I think it's perfectly fine for watching Netflix or movies. You got the, go to my website. So it's pretty good. is music playing in the background. I can actually turn it up since it's my music. But yeah, so you got that. Like I said, you only have 2 speakers at the bottom. You got USB-C and just the two bottom speakers. You can't cover them up and you barely hear anything. So that's a you know, you got to mitigate your expectations. If you're taking video and pictures and stuff, this ain't the tablet. If you want the video quality, picture quality, it's not great. It's not bad if you're in really, really good lighting, but it's not the greatest. And what else? If you're getting this just to browse on the internet, get on you know, scroll on Instagram, scroll on Facebook, watch your videos. I think it's fine. It's fine for kids. It's actually great for kids, but I don't think you can do a lot of gaming. I tried a couple games, but they didn't run great. But I did see games. I did see Fortnite running on here. I don't play Fortnite. I didn't download Fortnite, so I don't use Fortnite. But I did see somebody else play Fortnite on here without any hiccups. I mean, there's that if you're into Fortnite. I don't know anything about the other games, but I'm sure labor-intensive games, memory-intensive games wouldn't be great on here. It's only 32 gigabytes internal storage, and 50%. That's a negative too. 50% of the storage is already used up. As soon as you get the thing, you can add up to a 2 terabyte card, so you can get enough storage. But not being able to put apps on that card, I haven't tried it. I don't know. I don't have a card. I gotta get an extra card. But that would be a very much so a negative, because that's what you usually want more storage for, is more apps. And if you have some of the bigger apps, those games or whatever, they're like 100. They can be 100 megabytes at times, and you got 32 gigabytes, so you can use that up quick. I did use some editing software. I use KineMaster at times to edit my videos. It seemed like it ran pretty well. Let me see. Did I take any? I didn't take any videos, but I did take some photos just to see. And I'll show these photos on screen, but I mean, it seems to not have a hiccup. I don't know how exporting will do. See what this says, up to 4K, 30 frames a second. I can change that, I believe. So I export it. This is just pictures. It's not doing too bad. It's on par with, my phone's faster, but my phone is, like I said, 10 gigabytes and a faster processor. But yeah, this has just been a little unboxing and little overview of this machine, which is the LG G Pad 5. It's 10.1. Like I said, I mostly use this in my car, but it's not a bad machine. It's a little on the heavy side. It feels like it feels a little heavier than some of my other tablets. Now, it's not an iPad. It's not high-end Samsung tablet device. Like, you're not going to be able to do and I already said that, but you're not going to be able to do high intensive activities on this. But if you just want something to play around with, if you're on T-Mobile, it's free as long as you have it on a plan. Because this is also, besides it being on Wi-Fi, it can be on 4G too, because it is on my plan. It has a SIM card in it. So I just upgraded, like I said. That's been it. If you join me for this little unboxing overview, I appreciate it. And I will get up with you in the next video.
Ain't over, life ain't over, life ain't over, life ain't over. As long as you alive, you can give another try and take it real high if you want it.